So I thought it would be a fun video to see if I can do a boomerang with my Spark. That is one of the key features of the new DJI Mavic Air, and it looks awesome, but it is really hard to pull off. Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new or you've seen the channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. So today I took my Spark out into the field and I wanted to try practicing doing the boomerang, and it was really hard. Like, it's really difficult to do with this because there's only a 2-axis gimbal. It makes it hard to keep the Spark really stable. I gave it my best. I've never tried this before. Obviously this is something very new. It's almost like a helix, sort of how it rotates around you. It's hard to do when you're trying to keep your body in focus, and obviously the Mavic Air does this all autonomously on its own, so that's going to be an awesome feature. I wish it was coming to the Spark or even the Phantoms, but I don't see that happening, as if it's exclusive, people are going to want it, and more of a reason to buy the new Mavic. But anyways, I took it out to the field. I tried it like 3 or 4 times, probably more than that actually, but only 3 times on film. I got it sort of okay, but it really wasn't 100%. Anyways, you can watch this. Don't judge my piloting skills. This is literally my first time trying this, but the gimbal does make it hard to do. Horrible attempt to do a boomerang, but I did get some cool shots with the Spark, so I compiled like a little cinematic video after this. And I want you to take notice on the grading that we've done on the footage here, because the Spark for some reason really oversaturates everything. Picture styles would be so ideal in trying to grade this footage and get it really crisp. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. I will see you guys in the next one.